welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut. I'm here outside of the Kia Oval. It's day 2 of the final test match between India and England. The series still hangs in the balance. It's 2-1. India has a chance to retain this one. Right now, India is down 6 wickets with Karun Nair and Washington Sundar out in the middle fighting it out. Now, when we talk about weather, on day 1 you saw multiple rain interruptions, an extended session and of course a lot of wickets falling because of the kind of conditions you had. Overcast conditions gave a lot of support to the English bowlers. Jamie Overton getting the ball to move, Chris Woakes getting the ball to move, so was Gus Atkinson and so was Josh Tongue. Yes, Overton and Josh Tongue leaked a lot of runs, but at the same time you have to remember that even throughout the series you've seen that after 25-30 overs you don't get the Duke's ball to move that much. You didn't get to see the Duke's ball move that much, but it was different here. For the first time I believe in the series you have seen true English conditions with the ball moving for the entire day. Now today as well, 17 overs to go for the new ball, there will be movement, but again coming back to the weather. Now the day starts off well, unlike yesterday where there was rain in the morning as well. Early morning there were a good couple of hours of downpour, but today it's different. The day starts off with less than 5% chances of precipitation, but the trouble period is from 10 AM to 3 PM. 10 AM there is a 40% chance of precipitation. Now from 11 AM, 12 PM, 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, there is a varying chance of precipitation starting with 50% to up to almost 70% in the London Met Department app. Now what we've seen so far, yesterday there was a yellow alert, there was a slight moderate thunderstorm alert and it was pretty accurate. Even the hour to hour prediction was pretty accurate in the London Met Department. Yesterday it said that around 11 at the start of the game there would be a shower. There was, which was why the toss got delayed, which was why the start got delayed, and of course around 4 PM as well there was a chance of 80% chance of precipitation. Again you saw tea getting taken early and there was a long rain break over there as well. And today, now again it's the 10 AM to 3 PM period that is the biggest concern here. 10 AM, 40% chance of rain. 11 to 2, there's a 70 to 60% chance of rain, and then it goes down to 50% chance of precipitation at 3 PM. So that's the period of trouble that you're looking at. Let's see if and how much rain there is. If it gets if there is rain in the early hours of the day, maybe the chances of precipitation might reduce going forward, but let's see how it all works out, because we'll be back ahead of the game with the weather report. But as of now, this is what the London Met Department says.